In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to Monday.com. By the end, you'll have the Stripe app added to your Monday.com account so you can bridge your payment data with your work management. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct Monday.com account, and if you're part of a larger team, that you have permission to install apps. It also helps to have your Stripe login details handy in case you're prompted to connect later. Start by opening Monday.com in your browser and signing in to your account. Once you're in, head to the top right corner of the screen. You're looking for the small puzzle piece icon, which opens the apps area. Depending on your layout or plan, it may be labeled apps or marketplace, but the puzzle icon is the visual cue. Click that to open the apps browser. With the apps window open, use the search bar and type Stripe. This filters the marketplace to show you the Stripe integration. Taking a moment here to search ensures you land on the correct app quickly instead of browsing through categories. When you see the Stripe app appear in the results, click it to open its detail page. This page usually gives you an overview of what the app can do, the permissions it needs, and sometimes screenshots or a quick description of features. It's a good place to confirm you're installing the official app and that its capabilities align with what you want to achieve, like syncing payment information or triggering updates when a charge is made. Next, click Install App. During installation, Monday.com may ask you to approve what the app can access or to confirm where the app should be available, such as a specific workspace. Go ahead and approve those prompts so the app can be added successfully. Depending on your account setup, you might also be prompted to connect your Stripe account. If you see that, simply log into Stripe and authorize the connection so the two services can communicate. If you don't see that prompt right away, don't worry. You can typically complete that connection inside the app settings after installation. That's it. You've opened Monday.com and signed in, clicked the puzzle icon, searched for Stripe, opened the Stripe app page and installed it. If you don't see the puzzle icon or the install button, you may need admin approval or a different permission level. And if the installation stalls, try refreshing your browser or using an incognito window to clear cached sessions. Once installed, you can explore the app's settings to tailor how Stripe data appears in your boards and workflows.